me. I be G and dripping 3D. A nigga out of this world like ET. But I'm making history. I'm never a mystery. The drama for kids to me. Fuck you.
So what's up, YouTube? You just got a little snippet of what's gonna come. So all you just gotta do, just stay tuned and watch more. Peace. Sashi with the wireless now. Sashi with the wireless now. Sashi car.
Hey, shit, bro.
Big Q50. Yeah. Big Q50.
Let one of them drive it or whatever.
Yo. Where's your friend?
Not you, nigga. Move. Not you. No. Yeah, not you. Now you can't keep up, motherfucker.
Fuck, why? My phone. Stop f***ing up. I need the footage. Bro. Yeah. Gotta stay your distance.
Like, what the fuck is going on? Oh.
I mean, it's plastic though, so yeah. I was thinking about getting a 502, but I don't know. No, for me, it's like, not even say a fan of it. It's just the pure factor of like front engine, V8, manual transmission, rear wheel drive, you know what I mean? Like, why don't pull up beside me? Because I gave you space so you can pull up. Yeah. But mad thing. Yo.
Spin again.
Yo, you see these, don't sleep on them, you know, because I see in England a channel named Living Life Fast, the stock engine on those, they can take big turbos up to 500 horsepower. Stock engine. Yeah, they're light. So on the road, yeah. They can take big turbo stock engine, 500 horsepower. Yes. I see them do it enough time with them, especially with the DSG, on a roll, nasty.
Yo, come out the way, bro.
Come on, the fucking. Him not give with no, him not give with no. That run, do that again. Rewind, rerun that, rerun that. That no do good. That one redo. But they shot them there. Yo, damn, yeah. That's a real shot, not to that. Yeah. That's a real shot. No man, we're good man. Go.
I'll play.
Yo, go again. Yeah. Proper one that no. That proper.
Yo.
Nah, you know, like, it look good. It look good, low, you know. Him upgrade the lights. So you look like the 340 tail light. Yeah. Yeah. But the ride height nice though. Shit. They're nice, but if you're trying to kill the new 10-speed Mustang and Camaro, and 55 is not it. If you want to kill the 10-speed Mustang and Camaro, and 55 not it.
10-speed back.
Yeah, I know none of us can touch this right now. I know that. This is boost. Boost in motion. Big boost. Alright, boost is a swag on wheels. We got you, bro. Big VR. Son got a carbon fiber.
Who trying to lock it in and go back?
Yeah. Take off. I hear a little turbo here. Deal with something. Boy, don't go on for that one. Oh, there. What a shot there? No shot. Oh, man, not a shot. You're not a shot. Why you so shot? Yeah, Mexico Street. Sound good though. My Mac brother, no Mac sauce out here.
I'll go down there, Abdul, you turn and pull up.
Alright, no problem, bro.
My car basic as shit.
Bro, basic what? Perfectly stands, accord, you talking about basic? Calm down.
Motegi wheels.
Yeah. Ooh, hear that turbo? Oh shit. Yo, I gotta give you something. I don't know if my turbo gonna make noise, but yeah. Damn. My boy. We hit accord now. Yeah. Yo, that shit move. That shit move. That shit move.
Look like it's going fast.
Huh?
Look like it's going fast.
Yeah, it was going fast. But years, bro. I heard the turbo, everything.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, shit. I wasn't expecting that.
Oh, word? It's gonna be-
I know I was expecting it to be so loud, but I wasn't expecting the turbo to spool up, you know what I mean?
Oh, yeah.
One race I would dip, you know. Yeah. One race I would dip. No itching. Yo, that man there spitefully riding on the road. I mean, it's a dig still, rear wheel drive, all wheel drive. You might go have the advantage. But in a roll, because rear wheel drive car always have the upper end on roll races, so. Don't forget Sashi the jump though, you have to be fair, isn't it?
Not gonna do it back down?
Oh no, them men are serious. Them men are serious. We out here. Oh, they're doing a roll.
I wasn't even recording.
But get it.
I thought that was a cops.
Oh,
That's a taxi?
oh, it's a taxi. With that roll still, the other car was half a car ahead still, so the two of them pretty even. I don't know them are.
We just turn back around? Go back down there?
Yeah, let's pull up down there. Just,
Wait, oh, see, you swagging Will's
Yeah.
Instagram shit.
Yeah,
I'm like,
yeah,
who's
yeah.
This nigga with the black Infinity in the same room as me. I'm like, shit.
oh!
mystery. The drama for kissing me. Fuck you if you dissing me. Y'all niggas ain't drip like me. Get a bad little chick like me. I be jigging, dripping 3D. A nigga out of this world like E.T. But I'm making history. I'm never a mystery. The drama for kissing me. Fuck you if you dissing me. Yeah, I'm crazy. Can't lie, local. She loving my drip. Shorty hooked on my mojo. Ice my neck, cut my heart and just suck. You niggas is goofy. You niggas is bozo. She bouncing that ass up and down like a pogo. I've been getting hit up by some boho. I've been rocking diamonds and rose gold. You found me vibing in Soho. Nigga on 10, I'm going in. Father forgive me for all of my sins. My heart dripping gold, I got diamonds in it. Addicted to waiting to put it with me. Keep on my way, we niggas can't swim. I'm rocking my baby, the baby.
I appreciate you guys for coming this far in the video. I mean, I'll be happy and I'll appreciate it if you just like and subscribe and share, because we have a lot more content coming out very soon. So yeah, we lit. Just like, subscribe, share, you know what I mean? We're gonna give you mad content. You know, Flicker Boys, Swag on Wheels Elites. Yes, we're gonna come with new bangers for y'all. So just like, yeah, so just like, share, and subscribe, and do comment, because I want y'all to comment, because interaction does come for the channel. So once I'm getting even dislike, all my haters just dislike, bro. I appreciate it if you just dislike the video also. It doesn't hurt me. So yeah, just give your boy support, because we coming with more bangers, bro. So as you know, you reap what you sow.
After us, Henny mix with the rubber, give me a rush. Happy jiggy since I said my first breath. Had a drip in my walks, my first step. R&T, we the game.